What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Mike and today we are going to make a simple chilled drill beat. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, so I have all the sounds that I want to use in this video. I'll put the link in the description for the sound pack that I've used in this video. Alright, so let's go into Nexus, go into piano, and then I've chosen this grand piano from Nexus. Yeah, so let's get into piano roll. Now the first thing is we have to make a very simple progression, simple and a little bit emotion. We try to start from the F. Alright, I think as simple as it is, that's our root note, so let's start building from there. Alright, so yeah, this one sounds nice. Let's listen to it. Yeah, simple as this. So what we are going to do is we're going to play around with some notes here. So let's try to get this guy, put him octave up. Let's get this one. Yeah, sounds good. Let's get the middle one again here. Let's put it there. Again, the middle one here. Yeah, let's try to change it like this. Yeah. Let's go on the root note. Select the root notes and then let's put them octave down. Control down arrow. Alright, so let's try to remove this. Yeah, it sounds good. Now what you're going to do is to hit Control A to highlight everything as usual, Alt R to randomize the velocity. Yeah, this one sounds good. But again, hit Alt S. Yeah, let's go with this one. Let's try to add a melody on top. This one sounds good. Let's keep it just simple like that. Let's add the lead. So I've chosen a lead from the muffin. Sounds like this. And then on the mixer here, let's try to put halftime. Alright. So let's copy octave up. Yeah, this sounds good. Remove the highs and the lows. Just like this. Alright, now let's add the bass. Alright, so let's make just a simple bass line. Let's just follow the root note. Follow the root note like this. Let's make sure. Alright, now let's start making drums. found this Vox sounds like this. EQ again, move all the highs and all the lows. Okay, sounds like this. Yeah, now sounds good. Alright, so let's make the 808 and the kick now. So before we make the second 808 for the slides, let's add the kick. Alright, so now for the second 808, we just want to make some slides at the end here. Alright, I think the beat is almost done. Let's start arranging it. Alright, so for the intro here, I'm going to make this one unique, and then let's go into the piano roll, and then I'll remove these notes so it sounds like this. Let's put it here. Alright, so I think the beat is almost done, so let me just work on it and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm done working on it. I think the beat is done, and I've only add some few things, some drill gun and some fills, and yeah, so now let's listen to the full beat. So the intro here.
It's mine.
Straight to verse. I've added some open parts. It's the bridge going to the chorus. Add some razor here. And this is the chorus now. Alright, so that's the beat, that's the end of it, and yeah, so please make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment, and yeah, let me know if you like this type of videos. And yeah, if you want to see how I made a little baby type beat, I think it will be over here. Catch you next time. Peace.